Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 17th, our word of the day is imbibe. I-M-B-I-B-E. Imbibe. Imbibe is a 6-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Imbibe is a fancy word for drink. Imbibe also means to receive, accept, and retain information in the mind. Although the verb imbibe means to take in liquids of any sort, if you don't specify the liquid, people are likely to infer you mean an alcoholic beverage. Similar words include drink, consume, sip, quaff, down, guzzle, soak up, assimilate, absorb, digest, ingest, learn, acquire. Examples of sentences using imbibe are: have you been imbibing again? If you need to imbibe 10 cups of coffee just to get out of the house, you might have a caffeine problem. We read poems by our predecessors to imbibe moral principles of life as captured by them. To overcome his shyness, he has imbibed just a bit too heavily. Light beer lets drinkers imbibe without taking in extra calories. I wonder if young medics busy imbibing knowledge and collecting degrees will see some simple truths. Make sure to save this new word, imbibe, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.